In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed a YouTube video to your WordPress website just like this. So what you need to do is have access to your WordPress website, obviously. So here is my website. You need access to the WordPress dashboard. So this is your standard WordPress dashboard. You also need a YouTube video, but we'll get to that later once we have found a place to put the video. So first you want to go to your dashboard, then go ahead and go to posts, and you can either add this video to a new post or you can add it to an existing one. For me, I'll just create a new post, but you could go ahead and add it to an existing one, no problem. Now here I've clicked add new post, and what we can do is we can add a title and we can then begin to write this article. So I've gone ahead and added a title and some text here. Now obviously you will have a massive article. Now what you want to do is you want to click on the plus icon in the top left hand corner, and that will open up these options where we can then embed a video. So if you go ahead and go to media, or even just go to blocks and then just scroll down and you'll see media, you'll then be able to embed a video. Now you can add a video here by clicking on the video section, and that will add your video block to the post. Now you may have to move this around, so you can move this up and down depending on where you want this in your article. Then go ahead and click insert from URL, and now you can paste in the YouTube URL. So find the video you want to embed. I'll just embed this one. Click on it, then go ahead and copy the YouTube URL. At the top, right click it and click copy. Then go back to WordPress and paste in that URL. Then click enter, and it's then going to embed that video to your article here. And all you've got to do now is click publish and publish again. Then you'll be able to view this article and the video will be now embedded. So that's how to do it. I hope that helped you out.